You spend days creating a perfect website, but Google buries deeper than last year's Christmas fruitcake. Well, we've all been there. You write killer content, you optimize like crazy, but you're still stuck behind a bunch of giant media sites like Forbes or Reddit and Coral Threads. That's probably because there's been 10 major updates in 2023 and it has a lot of people in the SEO freaking out a little bit. But don't worry, I'm here to help. And in this video, I will show you how to get your website ranked on Google using custom GPTs. Starting with fully SEO optimized article including FAQs GPT, this assistant has more than 200k conversations with a 4.2 star rating. Its primary purpose is to assist in creating comprehensive SEO-optimized articles on a variety of topics, and this involves developing detailed outlines and writing long-form and informational articles. So the articles created by this GPT are human-like, aimed to pass Google AI detection tests, and structured to provide a satisfying reader experience with the use of headings, subheadings, lists, tables, and FAQ. Additionally, it focuses on ensuring the content is easy to read, informative, and optimized for search engines by adhering to certain SEO keywords, densities, and placements. And second on the list, we have SEO GPT. With this GPT, you can check your website. Just simply give it a website link. It looks at the website and checks different things like how fast it loads, what words are used in the titles and headings, and what the pictures are named. And also, it gives you some tips on how to make your website better for search engines like Google. This could be about changing words in your titles, using better keywords, or fixing links. Third, we have Topical Authority for SEO GPT Generator, which is designed to create detailed content plans for hypothetical websites, focusing on building topical authority within a specific niche. It generates a comprehensive network of web pages covering various subtopics with their reputation, forming a structured content strategy for effective SEO. And last but not least, we have free AI SEO keyword research tool, which was created to assist users in conducting efficient and focused keyword research for SEO purposes. This tool is designed to streamline the process of identifying easy-to-rank question-based keywords within a user niche. By asking for the user's niche first, the tool tailors its keyword suggestions to be more relevant and specific. The aim is to provide a list of potential keywords that have low competition, enhancing the user's ability to improve their website search engine rankings. Now I know what you're thinking, but wait, won't people catch on to this AI trick? As long as you use GPTs properly and don't try to game the system, you're golden. Just remember to sprinkle in some human touch and creativity, and you will have a winning SEO strategy that will get your website raised to the top of Google's rankings. And that's it for our today's video. Now let's jump right to the GPT store and check out those magical GPTs.